Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Let's take a look at the gold market as usual. So as you can see, market is indeed dropping below the weekly support. I mean the trend line. It's very important, and this event brings nothing really positive to the gold market. And the problem is not just with the returning back of the price inside of the channel, but the major problem is that market shows no reaction on this returning, no some kind of the bullish attempts to return back the situation. So would not see any bullish splashes or spikes, something of that sort that could bring the hint on the possible fake breakout or something of that sort. This is just gradual downward action with no response to the supports, and also this drop is supported by, as you know, decreasing the surges of the SPDR fund, and it means that the investors just closing longs. Currently, it's difficult to say, just point the one reason. So here are some technical reasons. It's ending on the financial year, closing positions is fundamental reasons that actually we were correct in our suggestion that the major driving factor will become not the rate hiking, but what Fed will say on a perspective. And on a perspective looks really bullish for the United States dollar. So 3 times rate hike in 2017. This is greater than market in general expects. And as we know from the recent Fed consulting research that we have talked about and taking a look at in our weekly thread on the Forex markets, they anticipate even more hawkish policy from the Fed, even compared to what is suggested by Federal Futures Fund, Federal Fund futures rate. So it means that this really brings nothing positive to the short-term perspective of the gold market, and it means that probably long-term bull trend will be postponed. Another reason, guys, here, although it recently brings no significant impact on the market, but just to mention, the seasonal trend on the gold market is turning bearish gradually. So you know that the gold market usually stands in a seasonal bullish trend since August till the February, and the major part of it already has been finished. It's usually the peak of the seasonal trend stands in autumn. So the market is gradually turning to the bearish seasonal trend. That's also some kind of the factor that doesn't support actually any bullish action. So let's see what will happen further, but currently, guys, we do not see any signs on the possible reversal or any sign on any patterns. So for example, if we've got some patterns on the intraday charts, on the daily chart, reversal patterns, and market is flirting around this trend line, well, this is one story, but currently we have quite another tune, so we don't have anything of that sort on the lower time frames. So take a look at the daily chart. On the daily, market just has dropped here, and it stands there. So it not was just some kind of the drop and return back. It's just dropping and standing. This looks really bearish. Next destination point in the short-term charts is 1618 extension of this ABCD pattern. It stands at the 1120 area. As you can see, very fast dropping. That suggests the reaching of this level. Besides, as you can see right now, between the market and the 1120 support, no other supports stand. So all major supports have been broken already. That makes really possible to gold market reaching of this area. So as you can see, our suspicious on this action that we said, well, although we have some hint on the bullish pattern, we're a bit worried about lack of any bullish patterns here, lack of bullish reaction. This action is not real typical for the bullish market, as we said. Let's really get the confirmation from the real price action. So it's dropping lower. So that being said, on the short-term perspective, the nearest destination stands 1120. It's 1618 extension. On the high time frames, if indeed market will confirm the returning back in this channel with a few weeks, so maybe it will drop further here, it means that market will drop as far as to 140 area. This will be minimum destination point in the medium term perspective. On the intraday charts, guys, market stands in the parallel channel. Right now you see another bearish sign that market has dropped below the weekly pivot support one. This suggests that it's not just a retracement, and it's probably this action could be continued. It just has reached the lower border of this channel that supports market right now. As you can see, here is standing this downward action. So currently would not expect some rebounding or something of that sort. Market is not at oversold, and as we said, it has no supports below it. That's why if any retracement will happen here, probably it will be minor inside of this channel, and downward action probably will continue.